I'm Logan, R&D lab technician with Hotshot Secret. I'm here to break down the benefits of installing an oil bypass filtration system on your vehicle and what factors you should consider when deciding if it's right for you. First up, what is it? The Pure Diamond system is the most efficient oil filter that is commercially available. It's designed to keep oil clean and free from contamination for thousands of extra miles. Incorporating a bypass filter system into your engine maintenance routine ensures that your oil stays cleaner longer. By capturing smaller particles and contaminants that traditional filters might miss, bypass filters help prevent wear and tear on critical engine components, thereby extending the life of your engine. You're adding a refined oil filter system on top of the OEM one already installed in your vehicle from the factory. For comparison, the OEM filter will filter around 10 to 20 microns. This system goes even further, filtering down to 2 microns and removing 96% of contaminants. This keeps a constant flow of clean oil running through your system. So, how do we know that? Everything we do here at Hotshot Secret is backed by science. We put the data out there and let you judge for yourself. To prove the effectiveness of this system, we hired Blackstone Laboratories to test the oil on a Ford F-350 Power Stroke with over 200,000 miles on it. Blackstone pulled a control sample from dirty oil that was in use for 4,700 miles near its next oil change. The results showed more than 41,000 contaminants. Without changing the oil, they added a bypass filtration system to test how it would work. After 200 miles with the extra filter, Blackstone tested another sample. With the filtration system in place and the same dirty oil, the sample showed only 1,600 contaminants compared to the initial 41,000. That's the 96% decrease in contaminants 2 microns in size we mentioned earlier. Then, Blackstone compared it to a sample of brand new Shell Rotella 15W40. The new oil had 1,800 contaminants. So, the bypass filtration system working with dirty oil was able to filter it to a quality that was better than brand new oil. Finally, how does it work? With the Pure Diamond system, the cleanup happens because the engine oil is filtered at depth through a densely packed media, trapping over 96% of particles using a 4.5-inch filter media. It's available in a cellulose or synthetic media. Both provide the same 2-micron protection. The oil is then recirculated back into the engine, and in combination with the OEM engine filter, provides a nearly endless supply of analytically clean oil. Most engine wear happens at startup from particles between 5 and 15 microns. With the Pure Diamond, you're eliminating the majority of these wear particles, extending engine life. The quality of the system means a return on investment after only 60,000 miles. Most Pure Diamond systems cost under $500. Depending on your application, by extending oil change intervals by 5,000 miles, you're saving around $100 a year by having it. Combine this with our Blue Diamond oils, and you could be saving even more with oil drain intervals of over 100,000 miles. At our high-end steel braided oil lines, the maintenance of this system shouldn't be much more than swapping out the OEM filter and filter media every 5,000 to 15,000 miles. In short, installing a Pure Diamond bypass filtration system is a great way to save money, both on oil changes and future maintenance on your vehicle. Cleaner oil means better operation and fewer oil-related issues for the long haul. Again, I'm Logan with Hotshot Secret. Thanks for watching.